What's up guys, Sal here. So there's speculation going on the internet that Samsung is redesigning, or I might say replacing Bixby by an actual 3D model named Sam, in short for Samantha. A lot of you commented yesterday asking whether or not this thing is actually true. Is Bixby indeed getting replaced by Sam, this virtual assistant? Well, let me explain. First off, Sam is created by Lightfarm in collaboration with Heil. Heil is a marketing company owned by Samsung. Just minutes after photos of Sam were posted, it took over the internet. People started appreciating her look, saying she's attractive. It was trending on Twitter for hours, and people even made dedicated subreddits for her, with some having over 60,000 members. And many people started calling Sam their waifu. I don't watch anime, so I had to look it up. It basically means who your wife is in the anime world, or in other words, an anime character towards which a person feels attracted. Lightfarm, who created this, released a statement that says, and I quote, "Throughout the process, the team devoted itself to developing realistic materials, mainly for the character's hair and clothing, so that Sam appeared aesthetically pleasing. Sam was an incredible partnership between Heil Agency and Lightfarm, and we are thrilled to be part of this project." Interestingly, Lightfarm took the web page down for some reason, not really sure why. Probably it has to do with people creating not suitable for work meme out of this character, I don't know, but a lot of people are saying that Sam is here to replace Bixby. But if you ask me, I don't think she is real. It could be just a 3D mascot and not an AI avatar of any sort. Well, that's because Samsung didn't mention anything about the existence of this. Sam hasn't been used in any commercial products or advertisement campaigns, nor Samsung has dropped any hints that they'll be replacing Bixby. Technically, Sam does indeed exist, but in the form of a technical support chatbot in limited countries such as Belgium, as you can see here. Currently, it's in the form of a 2D image representing the bot. So it's possible this 3D Sam is created by the imagination of the designer, and this isn't an official thing at all. But then again, Lightfarm said Heil is one of their collaborators for the project. Heil is an advertising firm under the Samsung group, so I'm not totally ruling out the possibility either. So if this is indeed a real thing, and the possibilities are slim, but still if it's real, then I don't think it's here to replace Bixby. Instead, it might replace this 2D technical support chatbot Sam. It may not come to our Samsung smartphones. But it's also possible that Samsung may reach out to Lightfarm and announce a partnership and could use this 3D character for their future advertising videos. And who knows, Sam could also end up as one of a neon character, an artificial human technology offering real-time interactive conversational experience. So you never know. Until Samsung doesn't actually come out and say anything about it, consider Sam just a 3D mascot. Of course, with that being said, do consider subscribing for all the latest tech news, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.